In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate in Adobe Express. If you want to quickly make a copy of text, an image, a shape, or almost any other design element in your project, Adobe Express makes it very simple. Duplicating is especially useful when you want to keep the same style, size, or layout without rebuilding the element from scratch. It can save time and help you work more efficiently while keeping your design consistent. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where you want to copy an element. Once your project is open, go to the canvas and find the item you want to duplicate. This could be a text box, a photo, a graphic, a shape, or another design object. Click on that item to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection outline or controls appear around it. After selecting the item, look toward the top toolbar. This toolbar gives you different options for the selected element. Find the More button and click it to open the additional options. In that menu, choose Duplicate. As soon as you do that, Adobe Express will create a copy of the selected item for you. There's also another quick way to do the same thing. Instead of using the top toolbar, you can right-click directly on the item you want to copy. This opens a contextual menu with actions related to that element. From there, select Duplicate, and Adobe Express will make a copy just the same. Once the duplicate appears, you can move it into place and continue editing as needed. This is a helpful method when you want to repeat elements across your design, create matching sections, or test different layouts without changing the original item. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in speeding up your workflow. And that's it. That's how to duplicate in Adobe Express. As long as you open your project, select the element, and use either the More menu or the right-click menu to choose Duplicate, you'll be able to create copies in just a few clicks.